What is up, retail fam? It's your boy Mike coming at you from, you already know, AMC Movie Theaters where? In Temecula, California. Now, this is not financial advice. This is my own personal opinion. And before I get started, you already know what to do. Like and subscribe, man. It's actually 75 out here. It's beautiful. It's about 11 o'clock here in sunny Southern California. Absolutely gorgeous day. I love living here. Now, the states ran like crap. That's besides the point. Now, I want to stop by and make this video. And truth be told, people keep asking me, how far am I from an AMC? Now, from my two houses, I'm actually, the furthest AMC waits from me 20 minutes. The closest one's like 7 minutes. So I have AMCs all around me, but just here, it's just easier access for me to come here to make videos. Super easy, right? 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes, super close. Now, on Friday, we closed at over $1.80, totally fine. But one thing I looked at was that volume. Now, if you look at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday closed at 87 million volume. You go ahead and go on Yahoo Finance. You can check it yourself or wherever you look at your AMC volumes. Don't take my word for it. Go look. Get off your ass and go look. Now, closing at 87 million, I started thinking, when was the last time AMC closed at 87 million in volume? And this is not retail buying. This is my opinion. I think it's more than that. Now, I had to go all the way back to pre-reverse split, pre-conversion. It's almost 3 years. It's a long time ago, the last time AMC closed at 87 million volume. Now, with that being said, it brought to my attention is that I do think with the momentum that AMC has, with the price being pushed up the way it is, the stair-stepping support consolidation, stair-stepping on the way up, I'm a true believer, a big believer that AMC does break $2 this coming week, test 250, possibly 280, and if it breaks even higher, great. But what I do not want to see is AMC explode. Literally explode to the upside and then have a massive retracement and then consolidate for a long time. The stair stepping is what I like, is what I think is going to happen, is what I'm hoping for it happens. Now, if AMC opens up, during the week on Monday and it starts to continue to the upside, again, you might have some little tiny retracements, but consolidation moving to the upside, and that stair stepping all the way to the end of the week. By the end of the week, above $2. By the end of the week, around 250. If it breaks 280, test 280, and has a little retracement, I'm totally okay with that. To me, that would be spectacular. That is something I'm looking for. Now, this is not financial advice. This is my own personal opinion, like I say, right? Do your own due diligence. I know people are still negative on AMC. People still see AMC as 50-cent stocks. People see it as reverse split and dilution and a horrible movie slate. Think whatever you want. But this is not retail buying. This is not FOMO. It hasn't even begun. Nothing like that. I'm just looking for a stair stepping, and I say that AMC breaks $2, holds above $2 next week, and continues to move to the upside. The only thing that can stop that are a couple of things. Number one would be oil. If oil starts to just go through the roof, obviously AMC is going to go back down. If there's escalation overseas, I'm not going to say the word, that can actually cause the whole stock market to go down. But I looked at what's going on in this coming week. There's no PPI, there's no CPI, there's no indicators that can actually push the market down. Now, a lot of things, there could be hiccups, but it has nothing to do with AMC. It has to do with overseas and the entire stock market. So if you see AMC start to retrace or go down, don't look at just AMC. Look at the entire stock market, and see what's going on. Find out what's going on. That's my opinion. Everybody have a blessed weekend. Yeah, it's gorgeous out here. All right, I'll talk to you later. Take it easy. Peace.